Shortbread are one of the most versatile cookies, and even better, the recipe couldn't be simpler to remember and to use. It's 1 part sugar, 2 parts butter, 3 parts flour. That means that the amount of butter is always going to be twice the amount of sugar, and the amount of flour is always going to be 3 times the amount of sugar. So let's say, for example, we want to make a batch with exactly 2 sticks of butter. That, by weight, is 226 grams. The amount of sugar in the recipe is half the amount of butter, and half of 226 is 113 grams. The amount of flour is 3 times the amount of sugar, so if I take 113 and multiply it by 3, we have 339 grams. So now I have the exact amounts for that size batch. But one more example before we go, and this time, let's say we want to hit an exact total. So I'm going to add another column here for total, and for the sake of this example, we're going to try to hit exactly 1,200 grams of cookie dough. If we go back to our base recipe of 1, 2, 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives us a total of 6 parts in our recipe. And of those 6 parts, one of them is sugar. So I'm going to take the total amount for this new recipe that I want to develop, 1,200, and I'm going to divide it by 6 because that's going to tell me how much 1 part is. 1,200 divided by 6 gives us 200 grams of sugar for this new batch size. The amount of butter is twice the amount of sugar. Twice 200 is 400 grams for the butter, and the amount of flour is 3 times the amount of sugar. 3 times 200 is 600. Just to double check our math, 200 plus 400 plus 600 does equal 1,200. I have the exact amounts I need, and I'm ready to go.